Cuz, why the hell did you say no, it's good?
No, what she said. Oh, did she even ask me for anything?
Yeah, she said, is the heater too hot? And then she go, do you want me to turn it off, turn it a little down? And you go,
Yeah.
no, it's good.
Hey, I'm playing with my stuff.
Bruh, so embarrassing.
Trying to catch me.
You trick? Oh, damn it.
You go.
Dude, give me.
One
Oh, what? What is that?
I'm trying to wait for the right time to record.
It is recording.
She's crying. What happened? He bit you?
No, he bit me when he fell down on my feet.
Oh, Gianni. No. Tessie, stop. You know, Serenity, she doesn't cry when he bites her.
Yeah, this is joking. This joking.
Say sorry. Gianni, say sorry.
This is just joking.